The Caroline Post.
I'm very, very happy for everybody, and everybody actually stepped up today and made sure na ginagawa din talaga yung trabaho. Coming from our loss din from Farm Fresh, isa lang naman yung sinabi din at diniremind sa amin. Andito na kami, we really have to work with what we have, and perfect. Yung term namin ngayon is perfect effort. So, wala namang perfect talaga, but yung effort pwede namin ma-perfect. So, yun yung nangyari today, kaya lumabas din yung teamwork ng team. Every game, it's more of a reminder for myself din and for the team na we're still here. And I don't think parang if there's something to motivate myself, ang hirap din to actually just think of other people, di ba? So, ngayon parang ako, iniisip ko talaga, it's a reminder na kaya pa, and I'll just do my part in practice, and pag kailangan, tutulong tayo. So, ganun lang. It's not more of trying to prove anything, but siguro trying to stick together and making sure sa sarili ko and sa team na magkakasama kami.